friend and customer. Our work today to do the power washing for customer. See that? I start the engine. Yeah, it's work now. Her house is at the beautiful lake. She has 4-layer house. Very big house here. Close to the lake, she has the lake to go to the docks. We can go to swim here. The lake is very beautiful too, and behind the house is a wood that I saw many deers coming to her house too. It's a very nice dock and close to the lake. We watch all the decks and the docks. We are quite relaxed when we work here. There are a lot of shade, not very sunny, and the lake so beautiful. We relax, not much time on work. We used to do the power wash for her house in the last 2 years. This time we spent all together 4 days to complete our job. The first day we watched the dock that have many steps up to the top and did handrail on the first deck close to the lake too. On the second day, we watched the deck at the fourth floor. We go to the top of the house. You remember that? Her house is very big. She has 4 layers. And the deck at the third floor. That means on the top of the house has very small deck. Then we can do at the 4th floor and part at the 3rd floor. On the 3rd day, we watched the major deck at the 3rd floor of the house and the step go down to the 1st floor. On the 4th day, we watched the step from the 3rd floor to the 1st floor and on all around at the 1st floor. We heard not good news on the last day that our customer fall down and knock her head the night before we came. She was sent to the hospital, so we made decision to send her a message and wish her recover soon. We met her husband who stay at home alone. He is so sad. We are sorry about this accident. I took many photos and clips to post in this video because I saw many things so beautiful and I would like to keep as my record. I had not much thing to do whenever we got a job about power washing. It's for my husband to do this job alone. I can only hand over something that he requires, but usually he not asks for me to do anything. He prefer for me to just stay and relax. Then I took a time to walk around her house, including climbing into the wood and said hi to the deer's family. This is the process of power washing to wash all the decks and the dogs to clean them up. We will let them dry in another few days, maybe 3 days, 4 days or a week. After all the wood dry, we will come back to do the staining that we expect that we can complete in another 3 days. Anyway, I will make more clip and photo and do the new video for the staining work. In our service, you feel free to communicate us as per the detail that I put at the end of the clip. Thank you for your watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.